Hello, guys. How are you doing? I am here to show you how we can approach a question like this one. This one looks like it's a lot. There's a lot going on here. And I must say, when I was looking at this one, I was thinking, okay, this is fine. We've got this. Apply our rules. Then I realized, mm, trying to do this without any other additional help might be a bit of a stretch. So let me show you how we can approach this one. We can use our powerful friend substitution. So what we're going to do here is actually we're going to let 2 to the power of x minus 1 equal y. Okay? Then, then we have to think, what would 2 to the power of x be in terms of y? Well, first of all, note that if I were to do 2 to the power of x minus 1 multiplied by 2, as in 2 to the power of 1, then that would give me 2 to the power of x. So really, if I took my 2 to the power of x minus 1, which is y already, multiplied that by 2, then that would give me 2 to the power of x. So 2y would equal 2 to the power of x. Okay? So 2 to the power of x would be equal to 2y. Now I can make the substitution. And I end up with 2y plus 1. So transforming this equation into this, 2y plus 1 is equal to the square root of 3 lots of 1 minus y. Now, this is much more within our scope for solving. And now we're going to actually expand both sides, and we get 2y plus 1 all squared is equal to 3 times 1 minus y. Now, squaring the left-hand side, well, that's 2y plus 1 multiplied by 2y plus 1. And then expanding the right-hand side, we get 3 minus 3y. The left-hand side will become 4y squared, 2y times 2y, plus 2y, plus another 2y, plus 1 is equal to 3 minus 3y. Then we have 4y squared plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 3 minus 3y. Okay, then taking away 3 and adding 3y to both sides, we get 4y squared plus 7y, because we're adding 3y, minus 2, because we're taking away 3, is equal to 0. And we've got an equation that looks like it could be factorized. If we take the coefficient of y squared, which is 4, multiplied by minus 2, we get minus 8. Then two numbers that multiply to give minus 8, but add to give 7, well, that's going to be, let's think, 8 and minus 1. I'm going to use my ultimate factorization hack. Watch that video if you haven't done so already. And that's going to be 4y plus 8, 4y minus 1, and that's going to be all divided by 4. So then the left-hand side will simplify because they both divide by 4, so that gives you y plus 2 multiplied by 4y minus 1, and that equals 0, which means that y equals minus 2, or y equals a quarter. Okay, because that's just because, and the reason for that is because either y plus 2 equals 0 or 4y minus 1 equals 0. Just explaining how you get that step there. Okay, and then remember, we let y equal 2 to the power of x minus 1. In hindsight, it might have been better to let 2 to the power of x equal y, but it's okay, we move. 2 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to minus 2, or 2 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to a quarter. Then to work out x, well, left-hand side, not really going to work. You can't have 2 to the power of something equal a negative number. If you don't believe me, you use your calculator. So we have 2 to the power of x minus 1 equals a quarter, but a quarter, remember, is 2 to the power of minus 2. So x minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Adding 1 to both sides, we get x is equal to minus 1. That is our answer, guys. That's it. That's it. That's just it. Okay?